Hello guys, welcome back. So as we have already completed our first 6 challenges, let's take up our 7th challenge now, which is troubleshoot formula errors. So once if you launch your playground, let's click on this object manager, and in quick find I'm just going to search for case. So once if you get the result, click on it, followed by fields and relationship, followed by new. So here we are just going to select formula, followed by next. Let's copy our field label, which is given right over here, and paste it over here. So once if it is done, choose date, scroll down, followed by next. So guys, here just copy and paste this formula which I have provided in our comment section. So once if it is done, click on check syntax. We shouldn't get any errors right over here. And now scroll down and click on next. So make it visible for all profile, followed by next, followed by save. So that's all about this challenge. So let's go back and click on check challenge. So yeah guys, we have successfully completed all of these challenges now. If you find this video useful, do subscribe to our channel. See you all on next video. Until then, bye bye.